Congratulations on choosing the B24 product for made-to-measure customisation. B24 is an all-day chair for clients who require significant assistance into and out of the chair, and is comfortable for all-day use. It has large recessed front wheels and swivel rear wheels for good mobility with the client seated in the chair. A strong foot-operated brake offers parked security, and a large push handle assists the carer to safely move the client. The 24-volt battery enables all-day use without the danger of loose electrical leads. Simply plug the chair into 240 volt for recharging while the client rests at night. The first step is to choose the chair size from which your changes will be based. There are two sizes in the B24 model range. Size A suits people up to 5'8". Size B suits people over 5'8". Always start the process with the chair upright and not reclined, and with the footrest retracted. The correct base size will have the client seated with their bottom right back in the seat of the chair, and feet will be firmly planted on the floor. Hips will be at least level with the knees or slightly higher than the knees. You may need to experiment with a different chair size if this cannot be achieved with your first size choice. It is not recommended that you order a made-to-measure chair without reference to a physical base size B24 chair. You will need a copy of the order form for your selected chair size. This form shows the basic measurements of the standard chair as well as the range and increments of the changes that are available. The order form can be downloaded from the Oscar homepage at oscarfurniture.com.au. You will also need a tape measure and a pen to write down the changes as you go. Okay, let's start. The first step is to check the seat height. Make sure that the client's bottom is set back in the seat as far as possible. The knees should be bent at 90 degrees with feet comfortably flat on the floor. If the client's feet are off the ground, use books or blocks under the feet to determine the correct amount of seat adjustment. If the range allowed on the order form does not allow enough adjustment, a smaller base size of chair should be used. Check the area of the thigh behind the knees. There should not be any uncomfortable downward pressure behind the knees onto the seat cushion. If necessary, adjust the seat height by choosing the plus 25mm increments on the order form. Next step is to check the seat depth. Check that there is a gap behind the client's knees. A hand should pass between the front of the seat and the back of the client's leg. If necessary, adjust the seat depth by choosing the plus or minus 25mm increments on the order form. Things to avoid are that the client's legs are angled too far forward or the feet are not flat on the floor. Assuming the adjustments have been made, the client's legs will be in the ideal position. Next, we check the fit of the neck and back support. The B24 is available with 3 roll back similar to Menningham or a dual roll back similar to Brumby. The measuring technique is slightly different between the two back types. In both back types, make sure that the client is seated well back in the chair. For the 3 roll back, the head roll should sit comfortably in the nape of the neck. If the roll is too high, the client's head will appear to tilt forward. If it is too low, the client's head will appear to tilt back. Use the order form to adjust the heights of the back in 50mm increments. Ensuring that the head pad is in the correct position will automatically ensure that the shoulder blades or scapula are positioned neatly between the head and the middle rolls. For the 2-roll back, the head roll is much wider. Check the position of the client's shoulder blades in the gap between the head roll and back cushion. Shoulder blades should position comfortably between the head roll and back cushion. Adjust the height of the scapula on the order form in 50mm increments. For the 2-roll back, the correct fitting of the shoulder blades into this gap will automatically mean that the head roll is correctly positioned. The arm height can now be checked with the chair in the upright position. Have the client place their arms on the armrests. Elbow to wrist should be evenly supported. The client's shoulders should not be hunched up, as this will indicate the armrest is too high. Use the order form to adjust the armrest height in increments of 25mm. The extended footrest can now be checked. Extend the footrest fully, ensuring that the client is seated well back on the seat. The leg rest should support the lower legs to the top of the ball of the heel. The ball of the heel should be just clear of the footrest, not sitting on it. Use the order form to adjust the footrest length in increments of 25mm. The seat width can also be checked. The seat width should be comfortable when sliding a closed fist down both sides of the client. If the closed fist is more than snug between the side of the chair and the client, make sure to ask them for their opinion. Use the order form to adjust the seat width in increments of 50mm. Having completed the fitting of the chair, we should consider other options to further personalise the chair to the client. Some clients may feel that the head is not correctly supported when the chair is at full recline. An additional headrest can assist in making the client comfortable. Headrest and armrest covers make for easy cleaning and long wear, and are available as fitted or not fitted, and Velcro attachment. The dual motor allows independent operation of the lift and footrest functions, and also allows the chair to extend fully flat in the reclined position. Memory foam in the seat or backrest can provide additional comfort, while memory foam in the footrest can assist clients with fluid buildup or edema. ROHO cushions inserted for the seat adds extra padding. A pocket can be added to the left side for left-handed people, and the controller can also be moved to the left side. A heated massage unit can enhance comfort. Gluteal recess allows clients to maintain lower back support by making room in the lower back cushion for a large bottom. Congratulations, you have now completed the process for customising the B24 chair. If you have required measurements that are outside the ranges allowed by the order form, or require other assistance, be sure to contact Oscar Healthcare staff who will be able to assist you further.